Guys, what is up? It is me and my best friend Caitlin. So we are going to be making slime, glittery slime. So I have used blue
and I have used pink.
So blue and pink are actually really pretty colors together. So we're gonna start stirring because this is like really thick, so it's already like slime.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of, but like not all the way. It's so thick. Alright guys, so now that we've mixed, we're going to add some shaving cream. So it is actually running out, so it's going to be like a little bit watery, but it still works. Why is it not working? Ew. There. So it is watery, but whatever.
Hey, that's my spoon.
Alright guys, so now we're going to stir. And you can notice that it's already kind of turning like slime. It's getting a little more watery and like not as bright anymore because the shaving cream. So it's still really thick, guys. And I'm sure if you like put this in the freezer, it would already turn into slime, but that will take like an hour. So. Alright, so now look at my sky blue. Hers is just really pretty pink. Okay. So guys, now we're going to add contact solution. Well, it has to go out. Not too much though, because yours is small. Blur. Okay, and now we're going to mix it. Oh boy. It's already turning like slime. Wow. So this is the part when I roll up my sleeves and I mainly just like dig in. Woo, this is sticky.
Not even that sticky. Never mind. I'm trying to get it off the sides.
It's so sticky. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some water. So I'm just going to fill up this cup with hot water. We're not going to need a lot though. So it comes through the hole. And now we're going to start mixing even more. Alright, so guys, this is like good slime. It's sticky, but it's good. And if it's too sticky, that's why you just add more contact solution. And see where that goes. And then after, add like more water shaving cream, I should say.
Water shaving.
Water shaving cream.
I love my pink. It's so cool.
Oh my god, why is this taking so long? Mine is actually bigger for some reason. I guess I used more pink last time. So hers just joined together. So I'm going to actually put more watery shaving cream in there. Oh my god, it's already almost gone.
Yeah,
Ew.
yeah.
Well, I mean, I still have Tide, so we can still make Tide slime also. Alright, so this is the point where I just like take it out, guys.
I like tiny slime, so it's all good.
It's all good, she says. It's all good. Alright, so this is better. It's not as sticky. It's a little like sticky. Hers is really thick, but I guess that's the way glue is.
Ooh, really sticky.
So guys, this is Slime-tastic. I say you definitely try this. It's nice, slime. It's thick. Not super thick, but I mean it's like good size, thick, like medium.
And if it works, comment down below.
Yep, and remember to hit that big red button. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Subscribe.
And give it a big thumbs up if you like it.
Please, guys. And also follow my Musical.ly Friend Kisses family.
And my Musical.ly is __Caitlin_.
So,
12.
yeah. 12. Yep, 12. Because she's 12, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's 12.
Oh, and she's 11.
I'm 11. I'm younger.
That was her, guys.
I heard it. So, like I said, oh, that stings. Get off of me. Ah.
It's pink-tastic. It's shimmer and shine.
I had these shine.
And I'm shimmer.
So, for that's a baby show, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. But Payne watches it, so.
Okay, guys, so I kneaded it, which means I mixed it in and stuff.
You can like use any color glitter glue you want.
We have also still purple and a little bit of blue left.
and a little bit of pink left.
Yeah, so we'll probably make more slime in a different video.
You should probably.
What? It's only at 6 minutes.
Should probably use the rest of this, make it into this, and then add it to the rest. Is that Guy shaving cream?
Yep.
I just know because it smells like it.
Okay, guys, so we are definitely going to need more shaving cream, which is perfectly fine, because I'm going to just steal my brother's. It's that simple. Just steal your brother's.